All right, people's actually asked for this one. So this is your thermal fuse, right here. Sorry about that. And the thermal fuse is blown, and that's why this dryer won't start. And this is typical for Whirlpools, Ropers, Maytags, anything that's an old school basic design, even some Kenmores like this. But the reason why the thermal fuse has blown is because the heating element is actually grounded out. I'm going to show you. So we pull this off, you can see the heater. Now, if you look real closely right here in this element, you can see that mark. That's actually where it's grounding out right there. And what that does is it creates an earth ground. It makes your heating element superheat. And when it does, it blows out that thermal fuse because that thermal fuse is supposed to blow out if your dryer gets too hot. So, luckily, I'm a good technician. I know that. So, we're going to put a new Whirlpool heater in it. And we've already got them a brand new thermal fuse from Whirlpool right here, too. It's good.